Hello guys, everyone. Today's video is about cooking the salmon grilling outside. So let me get started. This is gonna be delicious. So here's guy. I have a salmon. It's over 2 pounds, and I slice it for 3 slices. And then I'm going to cook this with garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 thumb of ginger, and 1 stack of lemongrass, and then fresh ground black pepper, and then soy with that already have the lime on it mix. Soy with lime mix. And 1 cider. So we're gonna cook it. I'm gonna cook it with 1 cider. This fish. So let me get started. I'm going to peel this ginger. Just simply remove the skin. Some skin. Okay, so turn up the cutting board. Okay, so I'm just gonna chop this. I'm going to smash this lemongrass. See if we can get everything right. Oops. Okay, so it's smashed now. And I'm just gonna, because I'm going to remove this after. A lot of garlic. There. This is garlicky salmon. Okay. So medium high heat the stove. So what I'm gonna do is saute this vegetable, the herbs, with 2 tablespoons of butter. So let the butter melt. what? Get very translucent. Take the aroma out from the ginger and lemongrass. Then I'm adding the garlic. The other ingredients. Okay guys, I'm adding 6 tablespoons of this soy sauce, but this is 1/4, so 4 tablespoons. There you go. Get along, and then ground pepper, fresh, coming from the grinder. Okay, then I'm going to add, oh yummy yummy. Okay guys, I'm going to add the liquid. Yay! Swimming right now. So I'm gonna let this fish marinate to this, soaking to this liquid for 30 minutes before we're going to grill outside. Okay, see you in 30 minutes. Okay guys, 30 minutes. I'm here in 30 minutes. I went shopping. Just joking. Okay, so we're gonna grill now the fish. I turn over the fish like this to get it more soaking well. Good. Okay, so I'm just stick it out like this, and then let's go grill it. The juice, I'm going to cook this, reduce to make a sauce. It's gonna be yummy. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna oil the grill to make sure our fish is not gonna get sticking. It won't stick the skin. Ooh.
More.
Okay, hey. More. Hey. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm going to cook the fish. There you go. Fish is in, let it cook. So instead of putting in my fish to the fish, all of it, I saved some for me. Oh my god. So good. Let me swallow one more time. Ready? So here I'm gonna strain it so we don't get all this thing, all the herbs. And then I'm gonna reduce this, cook it until it is reduced. Okay, bring to simmer.
Okay, I think these are ready to turn over. Let's see if we can not have any problems. Yeah, hopefully nothing sticks. Oh yeah.
Got it.
Don't think I'm gonna need it.
Really?
Yeah, turn it over easy. Didn't stick it off.
Hang on. The salmon is fat, that's why it's... Look at that golden brown. Golden charcoal.
Golden charcoal.
I'm just kidding. There you go. So this is the one that cooks. Eat.
Oh yeah, look at that. Just easier to cut out what we don't need than to... I think it's done. Coming apart.
You can tell you're really not. So do not overcook the salmon because it's gonna be well.
There we go. Look at that. Yeah, look at there. We're doing good.
So guys, look at the marinade. It's glazing. It's a reduced liquid. So this is what I have here. It's the glaze. Okay, so now I'm gonna glaze.
Good?
Good.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Try this recipe. It's really good. We use the Austin Eastciders Sangria cider, which is their seasonal this year. So it's super good. It's really fruity, but it makes a really good marinade for this fish as well. Give it a try. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe.
Please support our channel.
Leave any comments down below.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's eat.